Alright, we're working on the TEKS test review. I have not looked at this, so it takes me a second to catch the idea of what the question's asking, and it's just because it's the first time I've looked at it. Okay, it says Linda works as a lifeguard for $15 an hour. She also babysits for $10 an hour. Linda needs to earn at least $120 per week, but does not want to work any more than 30 hours a week. Graph the system of inequalities below to represent the number of hours working as a lifeguard and B, the number of hours babysitting. So lifeguarding here, babysitting hours here. It goes ahead and gives us our system of inequalities here. Goes ahead and gives those to us. So all we really need to do is graph these and see which ones these fit on there. Make things a little bit simpler for us, we can call the by and the lx. So let's go ahead and solve each of these for b. That way we can graph them in slope-intercept form. So first of all, on this one we have 10b is going to be greater than or equal to negative 15l plus 120. And then we have to divide by 10. So we have b greater than equal to, divide this by 10 and we will get 3 over 2 L plus 12 because 120 divided by 10 is 12. And let's go ahead and graph that. So it's going to start at 12. 12 is right there. And then we're going to go, oh, this is negative, so that's negative 2. Down 3 over 2. So each of these is 2, 8, 10, so that's down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. So that's what that's going to look like. Equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. And we're going to shade this what direction? We're going to shade this, is it greater than? So greater than is above. That is this direction. So anything in that direction holds that true. Switch to the next one. We have L plus B is less than 30. So we're going to solve for b again. B is less than or equal to negative L plus 30. Y-intercept here is 30, which is all the way up here. My slope is negative 1, so I'm going to go 1 down, 1 over. 1 down and 1 over. So let's see, this is 2 and 2, so looks like basically down 2, right 2, down 2, right 2. It's going to look like this. And I'm going to go ahead and make this all the way across. And it is a solid line because it has a little equal to thing on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and make that solid. And it is less than, so it's going to be shaded below. And then it has these two other equations here. L has to be greater than 0 and B has to be less than 0. I'm pretty sure we need to make this change right here. That needs to be greater than as well. What this is saying is your number of hours, what's L? Number of lifeguarding has to be greater than 0, so you have to work something, 0 and more. And B, babysitting has to be greater than 0 too. So this means it's anywhere in this quadrant, and that's already kind of defined for us. Now let's go ahead and test our points. 4, 4, where's 4, 4? 4, 4 is right here. That is not in this area here where they're both shaded. 4, 4 does not work. I'm just going to put a little X there, even though it's not in our problem, not our directions. 4, 8. 4, 8. that point is definitely in both sections, so 4-8 works. 210. 210 right here. That is in that area, yes. 620. 6 is here up to 20. That is in there. 0, 0 down here. No, that doesn't work. 1220. 1220. It's outside of the blue one. That doesn't work. 1216. 1216. That's inside. That works. 1616. And no, that's outside. It's not on here, but let me go ahead and pick another random point just to talk about it. What if I chose 2010, this point right here? This is a good point because it is in the pink area and it is on the blue solid line. If it was a dashed line, it would not be true like that. So those are the answers there. Go ahead and pause this and fix the lighting. Alright, number 2. Number 2, let's go through it. Vacation in the mountains and wants to rent a bicycle. He found 2 rental companies. Bob's Bikes charges a non-refundable deposit of $10 and then $7.50 per hour. Cammy's Rentals charges a bike fee of $15 and then just $5 per hour for each company. Write an equation showing a total rental cost as a function of the number of hours the bike was rented. Okay, so this is a system of equations. We're going to have 2 different equations, one for Bob's Bikes and one's for Cammy's Rentals. Let's look at Bob's Bikes first. Bob's Bikes cost, and just for my simplicity, I'm going to put this as Bob right here. This big C will be there. And then we're going to say the cost is equal to $10 plus a $7.50 per hour. Per hour is the one that's going to have the variable. That's the slope right there. Every hour we add $7.50. I'm going to put that one first. You could put it second. Doesn't really matter. And what we're doing is number of hours. So $7.50 times number of hours plus that non-refundable deposit of $10. Then we're going to do the total cost of Cammy's Rentals. And her slope is $5 per hour, so $5 per hour. And then we are going to add a fee of $15. Alright, so those are my equations here. They're in slope-intercept form, which is the easiest way to put these in. Easiest thing to do with these is probably going to be graph them in the calculator and look at the table. So this is how many hours is the fee at both companies the same. So let's get our trusty handy dandy little calculator out. And we are going to go to put these in. 7.5x plus 10. And below that 5x plus 15. And I'm going to go ahead and look at the table. And we're going to see where they match. Where are they the same? Oh, here we go. $25 we're going to pay at 2 hours. So after 2 hours, they're going to have the same fee. Part C. Let's rent a bike for about 5 hours. Which company will give the better deal? Alright, so let's just go to 5 hours and look at our deals. The first one we put in was Bob's Bikes, then Cammy's Bikes. Bob's Bikes is going to be $47.50. Cammy's Bikes is going to be $40. I would definitely choose Cammy's and save the $7.50. Cammy's Rentals. Alright, number 3. At the arcade, Sammy won 2 blue tickets, 1 yellow ticket, and 3 red tickets for a total of 1,500 total points. Jamie won 1 blue ticket, 2 yellow tickets, 2 red tickets, and blah 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 blah. You get the idea. Write a system to represent this situation. B is point blue tickets, Y is point value of yellow tickets, and R is point of a red ticket. We're going to make a system of equations for this. We're going to make a system of equations for this. We're going to go straight actually to matrices. We have 3 different situations. We have Sammy, Jamie, Yvonne. We have all 3 of those. So we have 3 equations, and we have 1, 2, 3 different variables. Those are what we're going to use as our variables. So we have Sammy. Are these all blue, yellow, red? Blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, red. Yes. So 2 blue, 1 yellow, 3 red, 1 5 0 0. Next one, 1 blue, 2 yellow, 2 red, 1 2 2 5, 2 blue, 3 yellow, 1 red, 1 2 0 0. That's my matrix. So let's go ahead and put this in the calculator. Let's quit this, clear it all out, and we're going to go to matrix. See if I can remember where matrix is. Blue matrix right here. We're going to edit in the first one, matrix A, and this is a 3 by 4. We're going to say 3 by 4 and press enter, and we're going to go through left to right, top to bottom, plugging these in. So we're going to have 2 enter, 1 enter, 3 enter, 1 5 0 0 enter, 1 enter, 2 enter, 2 enter, 1 2 2 5 enter, 2 enter, 3 enter, 1 enter, 1 2 0 0 enter. There's my matrix. It's in there. We have to quit now that it's entered, and we're going to go back to matrix, and we're going to do math with a matrix, and we're just going to go all the way down to RREF. That's the second one, RREF. Hit enter. What are we going to do in there? We're going to go back to matrix again. We're going to put this 3 by 4 that we put in the beginning in there. We're going to hit enter, and this is my blue. What is it? Blue, yellow, and red. So for my blue tickets, it's 125. For my yellow tickets, it's 200 points, and my red is 350. Just like that.